Hey Stunning Fam, this is Sarah back with part 2 of our CNC table series. Today you will be watching the assembly of the second generation X-Carve CNC machine. It is a carving machine for creating projects with wood, plastic, and other materials. Many people use this machine to sell products, create items for their own homes, and create gifts for others. We have created bottle openers, wine holders, whiskey smokers, wood signs, and egg holders. If you are interested in purchasing any of our CNC files for projects that we have created, I will link our Etsy shop in the video description below. This machine includes components, a wasteboard, rail kit, 3 years of Easel Pro software, a drag chain, an X controller, a Z probe, sideboard, dust control system, homing switches, built-in motor kit, Z-axis kit, tool kit, NEMA cable sub-assembly, a clamp set, digital calipers, Akita spindle mount, and a precision 1/8 inch collet for Makita router. Given the complexity of the instructions for assembly, I will link the instructions in the video description below. INVENTABLES instructions are easy to follow as they have video tutorials available for viewing. They also have customer support to help with any assembly difficulties that you might have if you try to assemble this too. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking to unboxing to anything that can be a DIY style project. We would really love it if you would like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will be notified when we post another video. We hope that you enjoyed this video. We will see you next week for part 3 of this video series. Next week we will be completing the CNC machine table, which includes a soundproof enclosure.